Hello kids, today we will learn about alphabets. From A to Z. From A to Z. Okay, let's start. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for beer. B for beer. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for egg. E for egg. F for fan. F for fan. G for goat. G for goat. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jeep. J for jeep. K for king. K for king. L for leopard. L for leopard. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nose. N for nose. O for orange. O for orange. P for peacock. P for peacock. Q for crane. Q for crane. R for radish. R for radish. S for sheep. S for sheep. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for universe. U for universe. V for vehicle. V for vehicle. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X for Xmas. X for Xmas. Y for yellow. Y for yellow. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.